Okay, welcome everybody to Jewassy Maths. It's a new channel and we're really excited to have it launched. My name is Gavin. My wife and I have combined about 40 years experience, or the family altogether, about 40 years experience in teaching maths. My wife's actually the maths teacher, but we have a lot of experience in this area. So we really do enjoy teaching children and helping them, and we've come across certain methods that work better than others in our area, and we'd like to share that with you and see maybe it can help you as a student or as a parent, your child, or you as a student are battling with a certain area of mathematics. So in the beginning, I just want to apologize for the quality of the sound. It will improve if the channel does grow. We will improve on that, and also need to apologize for my writing, my handwriting. So I apologize straight off for that. I don't think that's going to improve much. So anyway, so you see we're going to talk about long division today. This is a part of mathematics that really does stress a lot of students out. And we're going to show how multiples can help to make long division a lot easier. So let's get right into it, and we'll take it through step by step, and you'll see it's actually very easy. So let's start with a very simple low grade long division sum, and we have here is a 4, and we're going to divide 4 into 76. Okay, so 4 is our divisor, and we want to get the multiples of 4. So we're going to write up here, so multiples is just the number added onto itself, or counting in that number. So we're going to say 4, 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, and so we carry on 24, and we like to get 10 of them, so we'd like to get up to 40. So here we come to 32, 36, and here we are by 40. Very good. So then I'd like you just, if you want, you can draw a straight line down, or sort of a straight line, and then we want to number 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we just keep numbering it all the way down till we get to 10. There we go. Excellent. Okay, so now we come back to the sum. How are we going to do the sum? So we're going to say, like a normal long division sum, 4 goes into 7. Can 4 go into 7? Yes, 4 is a smaller number than what 7 is, so it can go in. But we know that 4 times 2 is equal to 8, and 8 is bigger than 7. So 4 can in actual fact only go into 7 one time. So 1 times 4 is 4. And I think this is the part of long division that confuses a lot of students, is that it's not just division, but there's other parts of maths involved. So here we are multiplying. We're saying 1 times 4 is 4, and here we're going to subtract. So this is what makes it maybe confusing for some. So here we have a 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. There's nothing below the 6, so we bring the 6 down. That brings it to 36. So we come back to our multiple table of 4, and we go down. We say, okay, 36. Do we have a 36? Oh, yeah, we have a 28, a 32. Oh, yeah, what do we have? We have a 36. Very nice. So in other words, 4 times 9 is 36. So we know 4 can go into 36 9 times. 9 times 4, we know already, is 36. And so if we subtract those two from each other, we end up with a 0. So no remainder. So can you see how multiples, or the multiples of the divisor, can assist in solving the sum relatively easily? Right, I'm going to just erase part of that sum, so I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back shortly. Okay, so I'm back. I've removed part of the sum, as you can see, and we're going to change this total. It was 76, we're going to make it 74, which we're going to work for a remainder. Right, so we already know that 4 goes into 7 once, and 1 times 4 will give us 4, and that minus that gives us 3, and so we bring the 4 down. So we know that. So now we come to our multiples of 4 and we go down and we see, oh, here's a 32, and here's a 36, but there's no 34. 34 is not there. In fact, 34 is here somewhere in between the two. So what do we do in a case like this? Well, we're going to say we have to go with the lower number. So 4 can't go into 34, but the closest we can get to it is saying 4 times 8 will give me 32. So I'm going to put my 8 up here because that's the closest amount of times it can go into that number, and 8 times 4 will give me 32. And we know this is subtraction. So 4 minus 2 was the 2 3's, cancel each other out. So 4 minus 2 is 2. And so we have a remainder of 2. Well, I hope you found this helpful. Of course, we're going to have other videos on long division where we get to bigger numbers, more complicated sums, and we're going to see how we can deal with those. But if you liked what you saw and you found it informative and helpful, please press the subscribe button. Also visit our website, Jewassy.com. There's a lot of interesting stuff there to read and go through. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Thanks for joining us today, and cheers until next time.